Have you ever tried to move your crypto or funds around on Uphold and realized you need to link a bank account? It's a key step, but it can be a bit confusing. So today, we're going to break it down and show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. First things first, you're going to open your Uphold app or go to their website. Once you're logged in, look for the Transact button. It's usually a central button or an option in the main menu. Tap on that. This will bring you to the transaction screen. You'll see a From and a To field. Tap on the From field. This is where you'll select the source of your funds. You're looking for the Add Funds or Link a Bank Account option. It might be under a bank account or card section. Now, Uphold will ask you to connect using Plaid. Plaid is a secure service that allows you to link your bank account without sharing your login information directly with Uphold. It's safe and widely used. You'll need to agree to their terms and conditions to proceed. Once you've agreed, Plaid will show you a list of popular banks. If you see your bank, great. Just tap on it. If not, you can use the search bar to find your specific bank. Type in the name, and it should pop right up. After you've selected your bank, Plaid will ask you to sign in with your online banking credentials. This is the part where you'll enter your username and password for your bank account. Don't worry, this is all happening within Plaid's secure system. It's encrypted and Uphold never sees this information. After you've logged in, Plaid will show you a list of your accounts associated with that bank. You'll need to select the specific checking or savings account you want to link to Uphold. Just tap on it to select it. That's it. Plaid will now securely share the necessary information with Uphold, and you'll see a confirmation that your bank account has been successfully linked. It might take a moment to process, so be patient. Once it's linked, you can go back to the Transact screen. When you tap on the From field, you'll now see your newly linked bank account as an option. You can use it to deposit funds into your Uphold wallet, which you can then use to buy crypto, send money, or whatever else you need to do on the platform. Linking a bank account is a one-time process, and it makes all your future transactions so much smoother. If you run into any issues, double-check your online banking credentials and make sure you're using a checking or savings account, as some other account types might not be supported. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to linking your bank account to Uphold. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.